Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate GST rounding adjustment in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, the product name and amount list, then GST percentage. And here I'm going to calculate the GST amount. So normally people calculate the amount, select the cell is equal to, select the amount and in asterisk sign, select the percentage and press the enter. Okay, and select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see the your GST amount, but it's not rounding off. Okay, so here I show you the different method to GST rounding. Okay, so I type here the GST amount. Okay, then select the cell is equal to and use here the round function. Okay, in round function select the amount, then use here the asterisk sign, then type here the percentage. So I type here 18 percentage, then comma, and type here 0, bracket closed, and enter. So here your GST amount is calculated with the rounding adjustment. Okay. So select the cell and double click on this corner point, and here you see your GST amount. So this is the way you can calculate GST rounding adjustment in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.